Introducing the 8BitDo SN30 Plus, a universally compatible handheld gaming pad for people of all ages to use. Let's go ahead to unbox it. Inside the box you will find one gaming pad, one cable and a user manual. They are all packed very nicely and professional in a retail packaging. The gaming pad is very sturdy and solid. It feels really high quality and durable. The pad is universally compatible with most gaming devices like Nintendo Switch, Raspberry, and even works with your smartphone devices. Pair it via Bluetooth. You can download the 8BitDo app for control and settings. Connection is simple. You can see how responsive the buttons are in sync with your devices. The latency is high, meaning no lag between your inputs to the game. Excellent. Let's go ahead to test out the controls. We will run the Sega Genesis Street of Rage and use the gamepad to control our character. The gaming experience feels really exciting when I'm focused on the game with the console. It's like a throwback to the good old days. Overall, the controls for the action works excellent. The ABXY keys are in line with the action keys. We got through the level pretty smoothly, yay. The battery is a high-capacity 1000 mAh rechargeable battery that lasts well through the entire day of gaming. Aside from those features, you can use the 8BitDo Ultimate software to customize controls on your SN30 Plus. The software is available on Mac and Windows laptops. Simply head over to their website to download it. Connect to the SN30 Plus gaming pad to the computer via USB-C. It will auto-detect for a new firmware and prompt you to install it should there be one. As you see, you can modify the mapping AXYB keys to your liking. Also, you can adjust the sticks for higher precision control or even the triggers to have higher sensitivity. Vibrations can be modified too for higher responsiveness. Adjust other macros like up, down, left and right, and custom the controls to your own preference. It's rare nowadays to be able to customize on a controller your own settings, but the 8BitDo allows you to do just that. Overall, the 8BitDo SN30 Plus is an excellent buy-a-quality product that is under $50. The product features are distinct and accurate. The functionality is precise and excellent. With its portability and wireless function,